We got this trench coat by Valentino. The sides are too big, so we're going to take the sides in. This is how I'm doing it. I unpick the stitch, double stitch from outside, and then I just press along the seam a little bit. Now you can see my chalk mark all the way here, how much we need to take in. Then I stitched all the way to the bottom. And then I show you what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the double stitch along the edge to keep the original look like that. So this is the side seam, and you can see original side seam with 2 stitches. So this is going to come all the way, double stitches to keep the original look. And then what you got to do is see the hem, just turn it up like that, and I only undid the hem stitch to here, so we still keep the original stitching, and I'm going to start stitching from there, just right on top of the old stitch, and stop there. Closest possibly matching thread, just to make it